What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Onyxcoin. We talked about the possible breakout that's going to happen during the last video, and we broke out and went absolutely parabolic. Congratulations to the Onyx XCN holders. You guys printed really good the last couple of days. So market cap of 367 million. We're down 3.85% today. Not too bad. We did break above that 1 cent resistance area that we talked about. We're talking about last video how important that 1 cent area is overtaken. We actually did it. So we're going to take a look at the charts now, see if we're overbought, oversold, where the general momentum is going to be going for XCN, and if we're going to be seeing some sort of retracement here, or if we're to continue this bullish momentum and head to much higher highs. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Onyxcoin. All right, everybody, let's get into Onyxcoin right here. Look at this fib. I didn't draw this or anything like that. This has been here since the last time we did a TA. Smashed into that 1618 perfectly, and now we're seeing some sort of retracement. So personal opinion, we are at a local top. I mean, you guys went absolutely parabolic here January 18th, guys. I mean, let's zoom in a little bit closer for the people watching on the small screens. From bottom to top, that's a 5x there in 1, 2, 3, 4, in 5 days. That's absolutely crazy. So congratulations, Onyx holders. That is awesome. And if we extend the fib to the top, you know, to the all the way back to the all-time high price, we smashed into the 618 as well. So my personal opinion, we're hitting some pretty heavy resistance right now, and indicators are showing that we are at a local top. What I mean by that is the MACD has topped out, where we're every last 2 days have been less bullish. You can tell by the lighter green candles here, we're starting to roll over a little bit. If you look at the RSI is flashing red, saying, hey, it might be a good time to take some profit here. We are overbought. This is the most red we've ever been. Last time we were this high was December 2023, which was right here. We did print a sell signal as well. I think this is the high. Yeah, this is the highest sell signal we've ever printed on the WTX. So keep a close eye on that, guys. This WTX is a pretty powerful tool, especially when all three of these are lined up. I call this the three wise men. I don't know if it's an actual term or not, but when the MACD is starting to fall, the RSI is overbought, and we get a sell signal on the WTX. That's what I call the three wise men, and it's usually followed by a correction. If we look at the stock RSI, the blue is under the orange. When the blue is under the orange, that is a sign of bearishness. I mean, if we look at the stock RSI, every time we've been down to the local level down here at the bottom, that's when we see our bullish impulses. We don't get our bullish impulses when the stock RSI is all the way up here at 70 plus. You can see normally when we're at this height level is when we see sideways movement or capitulation. So I want the stock RSI to retrace, and then we can start seeing a push up. So my personal opinion, XCN right now in the short term has topped out, and we most likely will either see sideways consolidation or a slight capitulation. So what would this slight capitulation look like for support for us? Well, if we draw a fib from this high to this low on the micro, we have two different areas of support. We have the support of the 786 at 1 cent. And like I said in the prior video, 1 cent is a very powerful resistance area. And when you're above it, it's a very powerful support area. It's a psychological support and resistance area going from 2 zeros to 1 0, you know, that psychological resistance. So that 1 cent area, we really need to keep a close eye on that. If we break below that, that's where we could see a capitulation down to the 618.007. My personal opinion, if we do break the 618, I think that's probably going to be the play for Onyx. I don't think we'd go much lower than 007 unless, you know, Bitcoin absolutely tanked. But I mean, come on, our president launched a meme coin. So who says we're not in a bull run? Now, what we're currently looking for here on the short term, such as the 4-hour time frame, would be sideways consolidation. Like the 4 hours looking really good, guys. You can see we've already bounced off that 786 on the short-term time frame, and we are currently making a bull flag. If you don't know what a bull flag is, well, this is what a bull flag is, but if you want to learn what a bull flag is, just look it up on your own terms. It's a bullish, well, it's a bull flag. It's a bullish indicator. And what it is this is your flag. You have your flag pole, you have your flag, and normally when you consolidate in pennants like this, you normally break out to the way that you entered the pennant. So what you normally do here for technical analysis is when you're in a bull flag, you get the flag pole, and then you drag your flag pole to the breakout point, and then realistically that's where you could possibly be going. So if we do consolidate in this pennant and we see a breakout, there's a good chance that Onyx coin is going to go up to 5 cents. guys. So realistically, we could see something like this sideways consolidation, and then once you break out, that flag pull says that we could be heading up to around 5 cents for our next major resistance area. So another one of these large run-ups here could be at play, and with a small market cap of only, what was this, 366 million, guys, it's easily doable. Onyxcoin is definitely in its bull run now, guys. I don't think we're gonna be seeing very heavy capitulations. Yes, we will see retracements, but we're gonna be more bullish than bearish for this time on. So short-term time frames is bullish right now. Just keep an eye on this pennant. Keep an eye on 1 cent. We do not want to break below 1 cent. If we break below 1 cent, then there's a good chance that we're going to be going down a little bit lower. But I had such great response to my channel for XCN or the Onyx videos. I'm going to add it to my normal rotation. If that's something you guys would like me to do, just smash that like button, and I'll start making Onyx videos more often. But right now, Onyx isn't looking terrible in the short term. It's just we gotta focus on that 1 cent, guys. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you would like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments, and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.